Series production for the all-new BMW X7 sports activity vehicle has started at BMW Group Plant Spartanburg. The BMW X7 will be built alongside the BMW X5 and X6 on the same assembly line. The BMW X7 made its world debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show on November 28th. The flagship X model blends lavish presence, exclusive, and spaciousness with the versatile and agile driving characteristics customers would expect from a sports activity vehicle. The latest and largest model in the BMW X lineup uses its outstanding powertrain and chassis technology, plus generous levels of space in each of the 3 rows of seats, a luxurious ambiance, and advanced equipment features to deliver an unparalleled driving and interior experience. The BMW X7 represents the next stage in BMW's ongoing model offensive in the luxury segment. The groundwork for production of the BMW X7 began in March 14th with the announcement of a $1 billion investment in the plant site. Since then, a new 1.2 million square foot body shop has been constructed for all X models, complete with 2,000 new robots. The X5, X7 assembly hall has been expanded with new conveyors, tools, and process equipment. New specialized robots have been added to the paint shop, and nearly 2,000 jobs have been added. The result is a plant capacity of 450,000 units per year. BMW Manufacturing produces more than 1,400 vehicles each day, with 70% exported to about 140 global markets. The BMW Group is currently investing $600 million in the Spartanburg plant from 2018 through 2021 to support manufacturing infrastructure for current and future X models. There will be 2 models, X7 xDrive 40i and X7 xDrive 50i. 3 row of seating for 7 passenger comfort. Pricing will be $73,900 for the X7 xDrive 40i and $92,600 for the X7 xDrive 50i. They both will have a $995 destination fee.
This vehicle, many of you have been waiting to see for a long time, and we are very proud to present it here in its home market, the United States of America. It is a further important step in our expansion in the upper segment, as well as growing our BMW X family. As the pinnacle of the X family, it offers a new level of luxury. It's big, it's bold, and has incredible on-road presence. You've probably noticed it has the largest kidney grille of any BMW. Not only is the BMW X7 an exclusive and luxurious vehicle, we truly believe it also offers the very best driving capabilities in its class. What else would you expect from a BMW? Inside, it has an unbelievable amount of space. The 3 rows and 7 seats are standard. And the panorama roof with its Sky Lounge enhances the feeling of well-being and sophistication. All in all, a truly impressive vehicle. And, ladies and gentlemen, built exclusively here, right in the USA. Next week, we will begin series production at our Spartanburg plant in South Carolina. Launching in March, we expect many of these great vehicles to go straight to customers here in the United States. But of course, we also want to export many of them from here to the rest of the world.